So a fat truck is an off-road commercial utility equipment that is amphibious. So the fat truck, being that it is truly off-road for extreme terrains, as well as being amphibious, it has the inherent ability to get to remote locations. And with that, more and more payloads were put on the fat truck. How do we get heavy payloads to remote locations and offload them when there is no forklift, there's no overhead crane? So that led to Cambrian and RufDiamond working together to achieve that end aim. It was a sticky note project for me with an idea. And like any good idea, there's going to be the aim, then there's factors affecting my aim, and then what options are open to me, and then how do I execute on that aim.
So with the fat truck 8x8, what Daryl came to us with was to design and build a platform that could be mounted and dismounted on the back of his vehicle. So for that, we had to come up with a new way of doing things and a new platform that would essentially accomplish the goal that he's given us.
I put it all on the table with my wants and my needs. Pat and his team, the students, who were extremely receptive and very, very professional. And I could see that they were understanding what my overall intent was. And after meeting 1, meeting 2, meeting 3, and seeing on the dry erase board, seeing on the big screen, my idea was coming to fruition. And every time there was a challenge, I see opportunity, and so did Pat and his team. So we developed that from there, and we would learn and continuously fail forward.
So we had to take a step back and design those legs from scratch, and then do our own in-house testing and everything else that goes with that in order to finish the project for Daryl. That's what made us design our own legs, was because you could get something to just lift off and drive away, but you have to then lower it all the way down to the ground. And that was one of the key requirements from Daryl, is I need that platform as close to the ground as possible to unload all this heavy cargo.
They truly had initiative, and they felt that they were part of something bigger than themselves. Whereas the fat truck will be having this demountable platform on it used for humanitarian aid, helping post-disaster, how the fat trucks could get in and render assistance with medical aid, with food, with water purification system.
The most satisfying part was definitely seeing, first time we lifted it, we put the vehicle under and it dropped on and everything fit, everything went exactly as expected. So that was definitely the highlight of the project for me.
Without Cambrian, this project would be rudderless, would not be anywhere near the 1% mark. Without the support from Cambrian, this would have been filed as a plausible option down the road, someday, maybe, perhaps.